This video is about common formula and functions we use for math in Excel. So one of the powerful feature of any mathematical calculation in Excel is either formula or function. We can use formula function for small businesses who can calculate their monthly income and expenses, or any large company who can calculate the profit and loss for products or services over thousands of rows and columns. Whatever the calculation is, either it's complex or simple, we can use formulas and functions in Excel to do that. So when we use simple mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiplication or division, we use formula. But when we go beyond that, we use functions. Let's look at this example here. Here we can see that Jackson Hardware has got some items for which they have sales amount and cost. So each item has sales and cost. So if we try to use formula here, we can just press the equal sign on the keyboard, and then we can select the cell we want to make addition, like we want to add the values. So we just give the plus sign from the keyboard, then the second cell, plus sign again, third cell, plus sign again, and then fourth cell, which is the fourth item, cell's value of the fourth item. And then after giving all these cell item with the addition plus sign, and we press enter, and we get this total sales value. So we have just used formula to do that, right? So but when in Excel we have a big amount of figures, and we have to do calculations, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Let's look at this data set here. Here you can see order. There are hundreds of orders here. So if we want to do calculation on this such kind of data, we cannot use formula, we have to use function. So how do we do that? Like, okay, let's, for this small data, we can just press the equal sign from the keyboard and write sum. So when we write sum, we can see here which all are related to sum function. So we just select sum, double clicking here, okay, and now we select the first item, and then we just drag the selection from the first item until to the last item. So that way what it did, it selected throughout all the items by giving this semicolon here. So this is a semicolon which indicates Excel has selected a range of cells, and now we close the bracket and press enter. So you see we got the same amount by using this function. And when we select the cell of the function, we can see in the formula bar the function is showing which we used. So when we place the cursor here, it shows the cells, range of cells selected for this calculation. Okay, so, and similarly, when we just use formula, simple formula, select the number of cells we want to add, enter. But using the function, sum function, for example, range of cells. and we get same amount. So like this, we can use small data like this using the formula, but when it's bigger, the data is bigger than any kind of small, then we use functions. So that's all for this video. So we are going to learn more about small functions and formulas in the next video. Thank you.